This is a 50-inch Navajo white Casablanca Panama ceiling fan from 1990. It is an Inteli-Touch fan. It's got with 6 fan speeds, and if it were to have a light kit on it, it would have 10 light levels. Unfortunately, the board on this fan has gone to crap, for lack of a better term. It does not, the fan works properly. However, there is a busted component inside the board, probably a capacitor or a transistor or something, and the driver that makes the noise, when the fan changes speeds and when it reverses whatnot, constantly makes a buzzing sound while there's power applied to the fan board. So it definitely needs to be replaced. But without further ado, we'll just go and run it right fast here to show you how it works. So as soon as I turn the power onto the board, it'll make this noise, and we'll start up on the first speed. And like I said, this noise will continuously be heard until I turn the power off. Here's the second speed. Otherwise the fan works just fine, the reverse works. But just constantly makes that noise. And you can also hear it try to make the correct snap noises when it's changing speeds. Sometimes you hear the noise bump up a little bit when it chirps to indicate that the fan's changing speeds. This is the 4th speed. Here's the 5th speed. And here's high speed. And I'm just going to go ahead and shut it off here, just so the board does not do anything. I got another one of these fans. This one only had 4 blades with it. I guess the previous owner broke the 5th one, unfortunately. But I do have a second one of these fans with 5 blades, which does once the board's still going out on it, however, it does not make this noise. So eventually I'll videotape that fan, but it probably won't be for a while. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this Navajo white Casablanca Panama from 1990.